To get bill negotiation service with Rocket Money, start by understanding what the platform offers. Rocket Money is a service that helps users negotiate and lower their monthly bills, such as cable, internet, and phone bills. First, sign up for Rocket Money by providing basic information like name and email address. Then link the account you want to negotiate. This can be done by providing the account login credentials or by uploading a copy of your bill. Once the account is linked, Rocket Money's team of experts will review your bill and identify areas where savings can be made. They will then contact your service provider to negotiate a better rate on your behalf. You will be notified of the outcome of the negotiation, and if savings are found, they will be applied to your account. It is important to note that Rocket Money only charges a fee if they are successful in negotiating savings, which is typically a percentage of the savings amount. To get the most out of Rocket Money, make sure to link all the accounts you want to negotiate and provide accurate information to ensure the negotiation process goes smoothly. It is also a good idea to regularly review your accounts to ensure you are still getting the best rates. Additionally, Rocket Money offers other features such as bill tracking and reminders, which can help you stay on top of your expenses and avoid late fees. By following these steps and using Rocket Money's bill negotiation service, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars per year on your monthly bills. Overall, Rocket Money is a convenient and effective way to lower your monthly bills without having to spend time and effort negotiating with service providers yourself.